Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, Sausage Boy. Good morning, Quick Peeps. Good morning, Tepal. Good morning, Natalia. Good morning, Vicente. uh, you are already in a short. Is that this, Natalia? You were. Oh, okay. Uh, let me start here. Initially, I think we're going lower after the opening, but my overall bias is still bullish. I mean, for the after the opening, because what I can notice here on the higher time frame, we saw lower price in the in Asia, in London. So measuring the week of the 6 p.m. candle for the Asia candle, we got around 3 and 3.5 standard deviation, and now we are retracing. And I would like to see price trading onto these zones before make a reversal to going higher. Um, on our regular trading hours chart, yesterday we closed above the new week opening gap, so now we are playing on this range above from the first level from this high to this lower quarter. And yesterday we touched the 50% and rejection right away. So we start trading lower. And today, earlier at 6 a.m., we get back to the new week opening gap to the upper quarter, and price start trading higher right away. So depending what happening in the opening, maybe we can trade lower and test sometimes this 50% or this 50% here. And if we can close below these levels, we're gonna trading higher. I'm possibly until here. Or if we start trading below the 50%, we're gonna trading lower to this low here. Um, on the 1 hour time frame, we have a this fractal consolidation to the downside. We touch the 2.33 level. So now we are making a retrace around 0 and -1. Price touch here around 7 a.m. So another option that we can maybe trade a little bit higher around this retracement levels, and then trading lower to finish this delivery here, or at least need to close below the 2.5 deviation, and later come trading here. Or if you're gonna trade in lower, and when we get here, probably gonna see a retrace to higher price. On the fractal consolidation, we have a similar scenario. We have this consolidation here. We trade into is the same. Here is the 50-minute time frame, and in the hour time frame, they have the same fractal consolidation. So it's the same levels. We touch 2.33, almost the 2.33. We trace between 0 and -1. So price in a consolidation right now. And if you do, is the same level. So something like this. And our deviation for the midnight range, we trade to 2.5 above and between 4.5, almost 6 to the downside. So, and now we trade back to the midnight opening, and now price is like play on this zone. So if we can close above the midnight opening, like here, we're gonna trade in lower. So we need to pay attention on this level after the opening, because the only time that price trade above the midnight after this manipulation to the upside was on the pre-market session today around 7:30, before 8, and then we trading lower again. So we need to check this level. And here we just changed to a new range. So we might go price trade to this lower zones, the 3 or the low, and pushing higher, something like this. Or maybe you can trade a little bit above onto this zone here, and then trade lower to this level. So we need to see what happened after the opening. we are inside the 3 and 4 p.m. range, and inside the yesterday closing range. So if our opening happened when price is still in this zone, so probably gonna see a choppy open like yesterday. And if we take a look at what happening in Asia and London, prices just play inside the 3 and 4 p.m. range, but the lowest retrace was the 0.8886 level. Price touch here, but never close below. So because this range is not filled, probably New York is gonna trade at least to this low before trading higher. So maybe we can trade fill this 3 and 4 p.m. range, and maybe touch the yesterday's opening range, and depending how price behave here, we moving higher. Yeah, Joe. Yes, correct. Yeah, Natalia, I saw this retrace I have here on my chart. Price retrace to, I was measuring the full range, not just from London. So since Asia high, and price touched the between 50% and the 618 retracement level. So if we just measure, if we measure from the London high, we got to the 0.886 level retrace. And if we and after midnight, so yeah, that would be the current range so far, but the full range would be from this high here, and that's the low. So the deviation of the 6 a.m. swing low, price fill 4.5. So this is already done. And this deviation to the downside, we have this fractal consolidation. We touch the 2.33 and 2.5 and retrace. Now, if we take a look at this retrace here from this high to this low, we are current on between 0.786 and 0.86 level. It can be a retrace here to pushing lower and finish this deviation, or because price never closed below the 2.5, this level can be a reversal. So we need to wait for the opening to have a confirmation. Good morning, Fernando. No, Tepal. This is a different range. I didn't talk in details about this yet because I'm still figuring out how to get the daily profiles, because depends on the day. We need to multiply the deviation for a different number. Usually is the deviation to the upside times 4. So we almost touch here the 2.5 times 4. So we can expect price around 10 deviation, and usually a delivery is around 10 and 12 deviation. But I'm not talking about much about this level because I still need to figure out the daily profiles. Good morning, Frank. Yeah, Natalia, need to wait for the opening because price is very bullish. Since yesterday, price never trade back to the open range, so we need to see. Yes, for the 1 minute chart is the only one that I have different settings for the standard ones. I uh, change to time frame to 3 minutes, and this box auto I uncheck this one. Just this. The other settings is standard, and just this one liquidity pool I just uncheck it too because I don't need to see these levels. And in all the other charts is the standard with this auto checking on. You're welcome. Good morning, Jess. No, no, Frank. Sometimes of course, I have my bias before the opening, but if I see that my bias is wrong, I can change because many times if you just stuck with the bias, if we married with the bias, we can have some big losses because let's say my bias is bullish but is a bearish day, and I try to frame it longs and just get smashed. So I'm flexible about this. I always wait for the price to show me which is the the real bias. Like yesterday, for example. Yesterday, I was bearish waiting for some retracement after this short that we frame. But when I saw that we never closed below two deviation here, when we never closed below this two deviation, and I saw that we couldn't get touch the opening range, I closed my trade here, and I changed my balance to bullish, and I take this the afternoon trade, just this small one because I have to leave. So I got when price rejected the opening range, I enter long here and close here, just this small trade. So if I was sticking to my initial bias to see price retrace to some of these levels, I would just get stopped out after this price action here. And price was yesterday afternoon. It delivered to the perfect the 4.5 deviation between 4 and 4.5 before the day close, 6:41 here of this consolidation. So when you have like this very bullish buy price, so we need to be careful to frame shorts. And also we have the levels on our closing range. So in Asia, we touch the 2.5, never close above, price reject here, and then we trading lower until 1.5. So maybe we can see this retrace here and price trading lower, maybe at least to get around 2.33 and 2.5 because we already closed below -1, touch the 1.5. So this is a retrace of this deviation, and we maybe can see price trading around at least to this zone here. So we need to see. And here maybe can confirm with this lower price because we have this high, low. In the range we retrace between 786 and 886 on the lowest retracement level, and now we back to the range. So price basically is in a consolidation after since London. We are playing inside the 3 and 4 p.m. range, so from this low to this high, and play the both sides of the closing range. So this is a consolidation. I always use it both sides of boy. One deviation, one regular is standard deviation just to know how far price can go, and the other one, with the Fibonacci retracement levels, to know where the prices are in relation to the range. So from this high to this low, we have a range, and I can measure to see if you are in premium, if you are in discount, which levels of retracement price push here. So I always use both. Yeah, Joe. The the 6 a.m. low, I already measured this deviation earlier. Was here, and price already feel this the 4.5 deviation for the this year, between 4 and 4.5. So this delivery is done. This one we have the fractal consolidation, and this price lag here get between 4 and 4.5. So this deviation is this delivery is done. And here our first AM time window. Uh, so far we can see bearish price because we get back to this range, never close above 618 or 705 level of retrace. But now, like I said, we are stuck inside this closing range. So before we close below or above, uh, price will get stuck inside this range. Uh, if I have a fractal consolidation on a swing low, I always measure the fractal consolidation. In this case, I measure the fractal consolidation like this. You're welcome. And yeah, for now is price is in a consolidation frame. Can we go play inside this range? We are here, low, high, but I mean we didn't take it this high, so makes sense that this delivery is not done yet. We need to close below 2.5 to confirm that we're gonna trade in lower here, and we most likely to trade lower here because Asia and London doesn't didn't trade inside all the 3 and 4 p.m. range. The lowest low was on 886 level, and then we never touched the 3 and 4 p.m. low. So probably gonna see price trade to this low here. Yeah, I measure the full range. Yeah, including weeks. Yes, if you have a week that is outside the box, I measure the full, including the week. You're welcome. The 30 minutes dealing range, you are on deep discount, and on the 1 hour dealing range, we are on discount right now, below the 50%. Price is about to close below this uh, 2.5 standard deviation. Yeah, price closed below 2.5. So if you not trade right away here, uh, we have some retrace and later trade to this level. I always wait for the opening. That can be a good short. I mean, if we still trade lower, I think we're gonna trade lower after the opening, but I always wait for the opening range to take a trade. You're welcome. Because if we are really going lower, uh, maybe the opening can send price higher for some retracement levels. So we always have the range updated, and we see the levels, and we can frame the short right after the opening. Now we almost finished this delivery. So if you finish this delivery, probably the opening is going to be higher price, and you need to see some of these retrace levels, and of course some the deviations of the opening range. Because think about the closing, we closed below one, and now we are playing on this range. So that's the opening. Yeah, Fibonacci retrace for the opening range. Sorry, the standard deviation for the opening range. Yeah, we failed to close above 50% of the 3 and 4 p.m. Look, this rejection may be tell to send the pricing lower, but we need to wait a little bit more. Price is still inside the range. Now we take the 3 and 4 p.m. low. And here almost on the 50% of the level. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're going higher. We failed to close below -1. And we touch the A deviation. Yeah. So we need to retrace to see to get it. And the short here, so above the high. Let's see, we failed to go ahead yet 2 times. So let's see. Take 1/2 here. Here was a good level, so let's see. I'll wait for some better level if price get back here. But I still gotta think about a short. I just think because we couldn't get to the 50% of the range. If this push got to the 50%, I'll hold the trade. But because right now we didn't close above -1 yet, or maybe, yeah, not yet. Yeah, now we touched the 50%. Yeah, price will be chopped a little bit because it's between two ranges. Oh, three, Ryan. Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, it looks like, or if he closed above was uh, very tight, because I'm not sure if he closed above -1. Look, yeah, maybe a little bit, yes. So this is the range high, but now we are seeing lower price because this retrace we never closed above 0.705. So that's I was seeing the short here, and now we retrace back to 0.786 on the upside. So we are in this consolidation. We need to wait a few minutes more. And now start closing below the 50%. If it start closing outside the opening, we're going lower. But I'm not sure. I think we're still going higher. Look, this rejection maybe tells that we are going higher because we tried to close below the range and fail 2 times. Yeah, I'll take it. I mean, it wasn't the right thing because we kind of chased the price, but let's see. If not, I'll close fast. Yeah, I'll close and wait for confirmation because we failed in the both sides, so I'm not sure. Yeah, and here we couldn't close above, so just trade above, but couldn't close outside the range. Yeah, let's wait for the macro because now it's choppy here, so yeah, now we're going lower. If you close above 1, yeah, and then we're going to retrace somewhere around here and then trade lower. Yeah, but it didn't close below 1 yet, so we'll wait. But we already closed below 88.6 of the range. So if you think about this, we're probably going to see lower prices. Yeah. Some retracement around here and then lower prices. Yeah, Marco. The yes took the highs in Nasdaq fail. So after some retrace here, or maybe the manipulation of the macro, I'll take a short. Probably be something around here. In the next minute, we're gonna see. Because now we close below 1. We trade between 1.5 and 2, and some retrace around something around here. And then we can take a short. Yeah, so manipulation around the 618 level. So if it trade here, we take a shot around here. Fine. Yeah, but if we manipulate to the bullish side, maybe we finish this delivery and going long, because the deviation of the open is almost finished, and for the opening range, the closing range is here 4 and 4.5, so it's on this level. And here we are, like I said, maybe we can trade around this 50% or this one, because we are manipulating to the bullish side here to go higher. Yeah. Go along here. But that was for the retrace here. Will be a better entry. Yeah, retrace on this level will be a better entry. If the or maybe we trade between 50% of 4 and 4.5 before going higher, because now here we touch the 50%. Maybe we can trade this lower quarter 352. And maybe we got the reversal on the 10 a.m. So let's see. Depends how price play this level. Yeah, 3.5, 4.5. Let me see. Here, yeah, almost there. And here, yeah, we'll get there. So maybe that's some reversal in. Oh, that was a lag. It was supposed to be here. Yeah, on the price right now. Yeah, we're about to reverse, but there was some lag. Let's see. And then the deviations of the 0.86 right now. So 2.5 maybe. 280. What's the level I was looking? 50%, 304. 286. Yeah. From here. I need to go a little bit lower. Uh, I'm not sure, Alex. I think you're gonna see some reversal right now. Let's see the first 5 minutes of the 10 a.m. But here is a level of retrace. Yeah, this chart here was the good one. I should have closed, but now we wait for the reversal because got 4 here. Yeah, it can be a reversal level. Yeah. Let's see. Right. Yeah, take this long, and let's see what happened. There's the 10 minutes manipulation of the hour. Let's see. We touch the 50% of 4.5 and reject right away. And need to see if the price start moving the next 2-3 minutes. Or it's gonna take the 4.5 once again. Like this one. Yeah. Because where is the 2.5 here? Here. Yeah, that sometimes happen, Frank. Yeah, I think we're gonna retrace here. I just wait after 10:15, and then we see if we start moving here. So probably so, because now we tested the 40 and 4.5. Maybe gonna make a third super on the downside here, just a spike. And I want to see if touch this level here, 2.5 deviation of the regular trading hours chart. see here. Yeah, and didn't close above this 50%. But let's see. So it is 618. We can close below the 618. If we close below, and now we touch 4.5 and reject the 886 level. So yeah, close below the 886. So we're gonna touch the 2.5 here, and we see that's the reversal level of the regular trading hours gap, 2.5. And here we need, maybe gonna touch this level here. Yeah, now 44.5 this deviation. Because 4.5 is 246. 246. Yeah. Yeah. Not good. There you go. Yeah, 50%. So let's see. Now we're about to close above the -1. Close here is the confirmation, and on retrace me, we can add more contracts. I'll close this one to get more on this retrace here after we close above -1, and we can something around here we can get a bigger position. Yeah, probably be the 1030 retrace. So we maybe close above this level, retrace some here. It will be around 1030, and then we pushing higher. Unfortunately, we missed the short entry. I was waiting for the retracement price never get back, but that was the good trade. Yeah, now 10:30. So maybe we're gonna see the retrace and then start pushing. Yes, that's what I was checking. We failed to close below this opening range, and then 50%. So I was expect some retrace here to enter the trade because many times price will test the opening range high once again. And the 7 hour touched the 618 level of retrace. Yeah, need to be patient, Frank. Need to wait price get back there. Sometimes it's boring. Yeah, Rich. I mean, um, what usually happening is trade back to the opening, but I don't know if we're gonna trade on this leg here because it's more than I guess more than 200 points away. No, 165 points from now. But let's say for the retrace, uh, yes, 200 points. Oh, need to authorize again. Maybe later, but not now. I guess now we're gonna maybe going higher, but maybe later we can maybe see a lower price. But I guess now we're going higher. It's a retrace for the we close above it -1, touch the 2.33, retrace to go to 4 at least here. Yeah, it's always like this, Rich. Now we touch the 50%, and maybe we can touch the 618. So let's see. Here can be a level that price can move away from here, but let's see the 950, the 1050 macro. Yeah, if the price go away, um, I'm not trading because probably that was the retrace, and if we're gonna push it lower, so we're not gonna get here. So for me, I'll be done for this AM session because I'm not chasing the price. Yeah, maybe going trading higher. So for me, that's the long from until here, but I'm not chasing the price because it took two stop loss. And I mean, if it wasn't for this live, I wouldn't trade more in this AM session. Two stops in a row is the maximum for me. So maybe in the PM session, if something happened, I can try to frame a trade. If not, tomorrow. But we didn't get our order filled here, so probably going to trading higher. But for me, there's not a price action that I like to do. Enter a something around here, and then we maybe can get some retrace. So for this AM session, I'm done. But the longest here, going probably until here. If someone can use a bigger stop loss, let's say get filled something here, stop loss has to be below this low, but it's not like a risk that I want to take to this trade here. Yeah, probably the prices go away. So yeah, for me, there's no trade today. I missed this short. That was a good one, and then I was waiting for reversal. Two stops my maximum need for each session. If in the PM session I saw something fine, I take a trade. If not, tomorrow, and that's what matters. But here probably gonna do some retrace one time more on this updated range. Uh, some retrace around here, and then pushing to 4 and 4.5 to take this highs here. That's the next trade. But for me, I mean, price is too away for the good points of entry, something around here. So I'm not taking this trade. So yeah, thanks Natalia. Thanks Frank. Yeah, you're welcome. I mean, we missed this short, but if I take a trade on the afternoon, I will post it here on the server, and tomorrow we can find something better. Thanks Fernando. Thanks Vicente. Thanks Joe. You too, friend. Have a good day. Thanks Saucer Boy and KB. Quick Peaks. Zidok Singh. Triplock Sam. Thanks Jess. All right, guys. I'm gonna edit this video and I can post later. Thanks, Dr. D1.